dope Jordan 1 high OGs for under £70. Sign me up. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. So yes, it is bargain day, bargain day, bargain day. Well, I got these a while ago, but still it's bargain time. This pair right here is a pair that when they released, I was like, yeah, they're okay. Saw them in stores, like, they're pretty nice. But it wasn't until I saw some lace swaps. Again, lace swaps sell me on sneakers so often, it's actually crazy. But when I saw some lace swaps, I was like, these are actually kind of fire. But I'm sure they're going to drop in price at some point. Surely they're going to drop. I just saw them sitting on shelves for ages. They started at 130, they went down to like 100. Then I saw them for 80. Then eventually they got down to £65. Yeah, probably even lower now for all I know, but £65 is like a no-brainer. That is nearly, is that half? Let me do my quick maths. Yeah, it is half price, exactly half price. So for Christmas this year, me and my girlfriend, we couldn't decide what we wanted to get each other. So we ended up not getting each other anything. It was getting presents like well after Christmas basically. And this happened to be a pair that I thought, oh actually, I buy enough sneakers for myself, why don't I get one from somebody else for once? And they're cheap as chips, so I told her I'll take some of these. She got these for me, so salute to Kay and salute to Jordan Brand and salute to Offspring for the discounts. Anywho, show you the shoes. Once again, Jordan 1s, your standard Jordan 1 box. And colorway wise is Hyper, Royal and Sail. Got these in a UK 10, as I do with all Jordans. These shoes are fire. Let's open up the box, show you what they're like. And boom, lace swap off the bat. These come with Hyper Royal laces generally, and it's fine, but it just makes the shoe super duper blue, and it's just not as special. Once I threw in the white laces, it was like, whoa, there's something going on here, and these are actually kind of nice. So the blue itself is called Hyper Royal, but it's so close to being like a purple. It's crazy, but it's very nice color. It's a very nice color. And as I said, with the lace swap, it just makes the transition just a little bit nicer. Material wise, it is pretty decent, to be honest. Some people were dissing it at first, saying, it's not all that, but it's actually pretty decent materials. The toe box here has got some of that nice little tumble leather going on it here. Toe cap all in the same color, not much going on here with the color blocking, as I said. Lateral side here, more of that lovely tumble leather in this Hyper Royal colorway. You get a little bit of contrast here with the white swoosh, which is a nice touch, and the white Air Jordan logo here. Back of the shoe, plain again. Medial side, all the same again. The midsole is done in a nice, brilliant white. Well, they say it's Sail. I guess it is. I guess it is. Maybe it's the lighting in here. But they say it's Sail. It looks white to me, but I guess it is that kind of yellowish. So Sail here on the midsole, and then boom, ultra blue on the sole of the shoe here. So it's a nice little contrast of the blue, then you get white again, then the blue, and you get white again, then the blue, and you get white again. It just seems to work. On the tongue, all in blue mesh with Nike Air written in white, and as I said, I threw on the white laces to make it pop, but they come as standard with, as I said, the Hyper Roll laces. Not too hot to shout about, but is what it is. Anywho, check them on feet, show you what they're like. Let's get it. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Roll on feet. As I said, a no-brainer pickup. Half price, decent materials, like pretty good materials, I'd say. More than decent. These are better than some of the more expensive Jordan 1s that I have owned, to be fair. And I would say a no-brainer pickup for anyone, especially if you want to get into like collecting Jordan 1s, because that seems to be the in thing these days. Everybody loves Jordan 1s. This is a pair to not sleep on because it goes with stuff, it stands out. I'm wondering if you threw on a different colour laces, it would make it even crazier. I can't think what laces would go. Black might look a bit crazy, but it just works like this. Don't change it, keep it blue and white. And yeah, this is a sneaker that I would highly recommend. Check out Offspring if they still have it for 65. If not, anywhere else. I'll try and link it down below if I find it anywhere cheaper as well. And that's that. Follow me on Instagram, ashbashsneakers, for dope pictures. Twitter's perfection7. All the links are in the bio below. Anyways, I'm out. Later, y'all.